If you need to reset two-factor authentication for your Google Calendar, follow these steps to ensure your account is secure and accessible. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your email and password. Make sure you are using the account associated with your Google Calendar. Step 2. Access security settings. Once signed in, navigate to the security section in your Google account settings. This can usually be found in the left-hand menu. Step 3. Find two-step verification. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section and locate the two-step verification option. Click on it to manage your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-step verification. To reset the two-factor authentication, you may need to disable it first. Click on the option to turn off two-step verification and follow the prompts to confirm your choice. Step 5. Re-enable two-step verification. After disabling, you can re-enable two-step verification. Follow the setup process to choose your preferred method of authentication, such as using an authenticator app or receiving codes via SMS. Once you have completed these steps, your two-factor authentication will be reset and you can continue using Google Calendar securely.